Several years ago, I heard this statistic that said that if everyone in the world were to try to live the way we live in the United States, it would take 7 planets worth of resources to do that. And that's obviously not possible, right? And so to me, what that says is we need to be smarter. So in the late 1990s, we heard about this new thing called LEED, where they were talking about green buildings. We had no idea what they were talking about. But the more we started to look into it, we realized that this was a way of building buildings that are very efficient from both an energy point of view and a water point of view. And the interesting thing to me is we found ourselves thinking in systems, which is how nature works. Everything's connected. So we heard about this thing called the Living Building Challenge, which is a green building program, but it's based on systems thinking. By January of 2007, our board decided that we were going to go for the Living Building Challenge. They voted to accept it. So we started out on this process now of trying to figure out, okay, we're talking about building potentially one of the greenest buildings in the world. We're trying to do something that nobody's ever done before. And I think one of the most important things we did during that whole process was come to the realization that, you know what, if we're going to build one of the greenest buildings in the world, it shouldn't just be about Phipps. It should be about all the great talent we have in this region. So by the time we finished this project, not only was this the first building project ever to try and attempt to achieve the 4 highest green building and landscape standards, but we actually achieved all 4 of those standards. This building is Living Building Challenge certified, it's LEED Platinum certified, it's 4-star Sustainable Site certified, and it's WELL Building Platinum certified. We're pretty excited about that because for us, this whole idea of how do we integrate our buildings into the landscape in a way that's healthy for people and the planet is really important. And these 4 certifications allowed us to show that you can look at a building project from all these different angles and really maximize its impact on both human and environmental health. You know, when we heard that the West Penn Power Sustainable Energy Fund was interested in this project, we got very excited because they are very focused on this idea of providing opportunities for clean, reliable energy and conservation, and these are all values that resonate with us as well. They're also very focused on education and getting the message out about why this is important. So there's a perfect alignment between what the fund wants to do and what we want to do and what we want to show in this project. And their support was really fabulous and was a great help to us in helping us bring this project to completion.